In this video, we will explore the part item related service inquiry module and understand how to add inquiries related to modernization or service work. To begin, navigate to the Contract Management module. Under this module, you will find a tab called Service Inquiry, located next to the Change Password option. Click on this tab to proceed. If you want to search for existing inquiries, you can do so using filters such as Building Name, Project Number, Building Unit. After entering the relevant details, click on Search to find the inquiry. To create a new inquiry, click on the Add New Inquiry button. A new page will open where you can enter the required details. The inquiry ticket number and order number are generated automatically after saving the form. You will need to fill in details such as organization name, sold to party, customer who purchases the service, bill to party, customer who receives the invoice. If the customer is not already listed, you can add a new one by selecting the New checkbox. Fill in the required fields: job type, warehouse location, expected closing date, payment terms, PO number and date, price list code. You can add equipment, units, in multiple ways, by selecting a building name, through an existing contract, agreement covering multiple units, via the bill to customer for different sites. Once units are added and the basic information is saved, additional tabs like Enquiry Details and Documents will become available. Under the Enquiry Details tab, you can add the items or spare parts that need replacement or servicing. Click on Add New Record. Select items from the price list or add them manually. Enter quantity, price, tax type, applicable tax category. For example, items like battery or car door can be added with their respective quantities and pricing. After adding items, click on Assign, Map, Link each part item to the relevant unit or equipment. Go to the Documents tab. Select a template. Click on Create Document. The generated document will include subject, reference number, pricing table, other relevant details. After completing the details, update the inquiry status step by step. New default status after creation. Initiated. Review. Send quotation to customer. Customer approval. Release final approval and processing. If pricing needs to be modified, change the status to Change Price. Enter discounts. By value, fixed amount, by percentage. After updating, save the changes. Regenerate the document. Update status again to customer approval. Once the customer approves, change the status to Release. The order number will be generated automatically. If you need to modify an existing inquiry, change the status to Amend. Add or update part items. Save and set the status back to Release. This is how you can create, manage, and process service inquiries efficiently within the system. Thank you.